guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Renault Megane. This system here is our 9-inch screen version. It comes with this fascia surround here. Good news with this is it actually works in cars with the original TomTom Navi, which is basically has always been a bit of a no-no in the past. So obviously if you do have the TomTom Navi in the car, which is original, then obviously it will replace that too. It did replace the original in this car today, so I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown. This is our Style 3, which is a HV model, which comes with 64GB of RAM and 8-core processor. It does come with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You can go down to a 4-core processor, but we always advise 8-core all day long, because as I say, the 4-core processors do tend to struggle as time goes by with a lot of the apps using a lot of memory and power. So you do find that the 4-core ones may slow down towards the end of its shelf life, or as I say, 8-core is always the best one to go. Can change this from over here 10 miles per hour if you want to. So I'll just give you a little bit of a rundown on this system. This is the home page to it, which has got a little shortcut to the Google Maps here. This is an MP3 option, so if you put your music onto a pen drive, you can put your music things there. You can download things like skin apps like car launching or a gamma and stuff on Play Store, which will basically change the home page. You can also change the home page of this in the background with a password, which we're happy to supply. But I'll just give you a little rundown what the system's got today. There you go, that's the radio interface. It does work with the steering wheel controls, which I'll just show you as I'm just doing it in the background, as you can't see me doing it, but you can hear me doing a little tap. So it does work with the steering wheel controls too. It does have RDS. Just need to switch it on, which is here. So obviously that'll give you the station names soon, and it'll just come through in a minute. So your station names here, there you go, just come through there. BBC Merseyside. This one here is obviously where you take your phone calls through. It does have phone book support too, if you want to upload your phone book to it. I haven't done it today, but obviously just for the purpose of the video, just to show you here. Got music streaming, so if you want to stream your music from your phone direct onto the system, you can do that too. I'll just go round to here, which is the CarPlay one. This is a dual use app, so obviously you do have an Android phone, it will give you Android Auto instead, but as you can see, I've got the Wireless Apple phone linked up to this. As you can see, it's nice and quick and responsive. This brings apps from your phone over. Can't do YouTube, Netflix and nothing like that on this particular app. Oh, sorry about guys, the video's gone down a bit low. So obviously just to show you that side of things, you got your music here, which is basic. You can customize these apps down here if you want to. So if you want to get rid of that one there, say for example, you can basically put your Play Store on there if you want. If you don't like the gallery, you can basically let's put another one on there. There's your DSP sound processor. So just to show you the little the DSP sound processor in here, this is if you're into your speakers and your amps, which allows you to customize the output on there. As I say, there you go. Let's go back on one video. Also, if you want to put your movies onto a pen drive, same with the music, you can do it and watch your movies through here. Going to the application center here, this is where it shows you all the apps that are basically on the system. YouTube's there. You can upload plenty more. Obviously there's the Play Store icon. Need to sign in there for the customer, which we'll do in a short while, but any applications like Netflix and stuff, you can download it from there and goes onto this application center here. Let's have a little look. Touchscreen. This one gets rid of this little stupid circle thing here, which is a bit annoying. Let's have a little look. Radio. There's your Google Maps here. If you want to connect your phone system to your hotspot on your phone, there's your Wi-Fi center. So obviously you can switch that on and find all your hubs in the area. As you can see there, it's very quick. This is connected to our hub in here when we do all our testing and updates. So what we do when we install, we ensure all the apps are up to date. So obviously we go on the Play Store and make sure any apps like YouTube, Google Maps, all the browsers are all up to date. We'll do that during the install. Dead easy process. If you buy this from us and you're not too sure, give us a shout and we can work through it on the phone or by email. What else have we got here? Okay, so a few of these I've just already showed you on the home page, but I'd say it's pretty limited, the apps at the moment, because it's a new unit. But again, you can customize this when you want by simply downloading whatever apps from there. You can even go down as far as put your IPTV on there if you're not too sure what that is. This is what a lot of people tend to get all the stuff through their Fire Sticks and stuff like that. You can download that sort of stuff on there. So yeah, hope you like the video, guys. I'll bring you another one soon. Any questions, give us a shout. I'll put the link down below in the description. Contact details too, so get in touch with us if you need any questions answered on this unit or anything else. But we've got a wide range of products for all major makes of cars. and just check on www.iceboxauto.com and have a little look on there. Okay, take care, bye bye.